Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome in today's video. In this video, we will be talking about 7G Robot Pro Expert Advisor Auto Trader for MetaTrader for platform profits and also settings, because many of you asked me about the settings that I'm using with 7G Robot Pro. I will reveal today this for you if you stay here, of course, until the end of this video. If you are new to my channel here, please go ahead and subscribe to the below button, and in this way you will see the new videos that I will be uploading here on my YouTube channel. And that being said, let's go ahead and let's go straight into this video. Sorry that you are not seeing my face today. I put a skin mask on my face and I don't want you to see me like that. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this video. Alright guys, so I'm using 7G Robot Pro. I open a demo account with FPS Broker, and also I have a real account with Robo Forex Broker. I will show you both of my accounts, real one and demo one. Here we are on my demo account, as you can see here, Treystone demo. And let's go ahead and let's see the account history, and let's put it here to see what was happening today. Let's see what is it here. No, I think here is for a few days, $36,000 here, as you can see. Let me go ahead and let's put it on custom period. Let's put it, it was last 3 days. Let's put it on today to see exactly the today's profits, and these are the today profits. And let's go ahead and let's have a look on FX Blue account, where we can see exactly what was tracked with this account trading using 7G Robot Pro. And as you can see here on fxblue.com, we have 40 days of history. Yes, as you can see here, tracking 7G Robot Pro Expert Advisor, and we have here the net profit per symbol, and the most uh, profit is here. It was gained using Euro USD currency pair. As you can see, this is the net profit. Then it was GBP USD, US dollar, Japanese yen, and gold also. Yes, these are the four pairs that we can trade with 7G Robot Pro Expert Advisor. So we have here, let's have a look what we can see here. As you can see, we can see a lot of situations here on the balance. We can see cumulative profit, daily profit. Let's have a look here on the daily profit, monthly profit. Let's see the monthly profit, as you can see here. All right, equity. No, we are not interested. So cumulative return here. Okay, per symbol, number of trades per symbol, and as you can see, the most trades it was on were on gold, 35.1%. Then it was Euro USD with 19.4%, US dollar, Japanese yen, and so on. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and let's have a look on the other one, on the other account, the real account. And we have here already two gold trades placed, and I am using gold and US dollar, Japanese yen. So I have two pairs on gold and one with US dollar, Japanese yen, and Euro USD. And as you can see, now the balance is $31,998.30. And let's go to the account history here. The nicest thing here, I don't know if let's see here. Yes, and these are the today's profit, 11,400, and the deposit, it was only $130 with this account. So starting from $130, which is great because this is a real account on Robo Forex, as you can see it here. So that's pretty much is are all the results with 70 Robot Pro. And let me show you the settings. I'm using the default settings, guys, with the 7G Robot Pro. Let's go here to and as you can see, starting lots, sorry, I have starting lots on zero point 0.2, and the others are um, these are the default settings: take profit for 40, stop loss for magic number, identifier, and that's pretty much is all are the same. I changed only the starting lots. By default it's set to 0.01, and as you can see I set it on 0.2. So that pretty much is about the real account. Very good results so far. I'm using it for 1 month, I think. And let me show you a little bit. Always use it on with an VPS 7G Robot Pro. And if you want to try 7G Robot Pro, go ahead on their original website, because there are many scams out there which pretend that they sell in different websites, on eBay I saw, and they sell this robot. But you will not have, maybe it will be the robot they buy it here on the official website, and but you'll never get, the idea is that you'll never get updates for the robot if you buy it from somewhere else, not from the original website 7G Robot Pro, as you can see here. The price once again is $199 for one live account and free demo accounts. As you can see, one live account, $199, and free live accounts, $399, and unlimited demo accounts. Yes, you have free 24/7 support, free updates, and you will get also 50 days money back guarantee. As you can see here, you will test it, you buy it, test it for 15 days, and you can get also your money back guarantee, which is great. It is great. Not so many expert advisor providers are offering this kind of money back guarantee. All right, guys, and also my advice for you is to go here and ask for a discount. They offer discounts, but you have to ask for them. Go here and start a new conversation, and you put your email, your name, and start chat, and you write them, hey, my name is, if you can give me a discount for your robot, I will be glad, and stuff like that, and they will offer you for sure a discount. Alright, guys, if you like the video, give me a like, and also share this video to your friends. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area. Share this video to your friends also, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.